showing KeVita Master Brew Kombucha with pineapple peach. Now this is a very short video explaining what happened to me. I've already drank these two, and we were at the soup plantation and they had these, and I'd been wanting to test kombucha because I'd been told by all the vegans that this is a fabulous and an incredible delicious drink. I was sort of curious, so it says right here, we believe health and wellness begins at the core. KeVita Master Brew kombucha is fermented with our proprietary tea culture, crafted with billions of live probiotics, organic acids, and the finest ingredients. Okay, that sounds good. And then the ingredients are sparkling water, kombucha culture, and natural flavors. It's got cane sugar, bacillus coagulant, I don't know what that is, but pineapple flavor, peach flavor, black tea extract, black tea essence, caffeine, green tea, bean extract. You can see it's gluten-free, non-dairy, no cow would put out this product, and it's vegan. It's non-GMO, USDA organic. Okay, so here it comes.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Well, did I like it? Well, when I first drank it, I just couldn't believe the flavor of this drink. It just caught me totally by surprise. As a matter of fact, I made a face. Something like that. But I'm telling you, I had to work at it to drink this drink, because this wasn't cheap. I think it was like $8. I had to work to drink it down. Would I buy it again? No, I don't think so. I think I eat well enough so that, you can see, I eat pretty well, so I don't really need to have this drink. I mean, I drink sparkling water, I don't drink Coca-Colas or any of those things. Maybe if I made my own culture, and maybe if I understood the things that are good in kombucha, maybe I'd go out of my way to learn this product or drink this product. But I've learned that I can drink the green kombucha drink, the teas. And the teas I can palate. They actually, when I put in a little bit of agave nectar into it, not cane sugar, or some of the sugar in a rock, it tastes pretty much like a spearmint tea. But this drink did not. It gives you a packed full of it hits you really hard. So for me, it didn't work. But it might work for you. The only way to know is you can find this at Sam's Club. They sell in the 6-pack. It's about $15. And some of the health food stores, most of the health food stores will have them. You can buy one. And then if you buy one, you taste it, and it tastes fabulous, well then that's the drink you need to drink. But if it's like me, you taste it and it doesn't work, then you already know the answer. Well, thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.